na, mapakasikip.
Sean O'Malley had a forgettable debut for Benilde. Kaya naman siguro, ito na yung pagkakataon na binigay ni Coach Charles sa kanya to get his bearings right. And interesting to, Coach, kasi yun nga, dalawang dominant bigs, O'Malley at Liwag, dati magkalaban, ngayon magkasama na sa isang kobonan.
Yes, makita mo banggaan ito, physicality, nandyan, but whoever controls the ball, yun ang malaking chance sa manalo.
Oftana, right on the money. First basket of the season for EAC.
Magaling na wing ito si Oftana. Lalo na, yun mahirap pag binigyan mo ng pagkakataon niya na ganyan libre.
In season 100, Oftana was the third leading scorer behind Gurtiza and Pagsanhan. And that pass was too high even for the high-flying SJ Moore.
Yun lang, sa totoo lang, mahirap yung high-low play. Sometimes kailangan you really have to practice that. Hirap, marami nagkakamali mga bata sa high-low.
SJ Moore back in the NCAA, a former high school star with the Arellano Braves. Oftana, natapikan mula sa likod. Celis picks up the loose ball. Ito na ang Benilde. Ancheta steps on the brakes. Ancheta cross-court pass. SJ for three. And that's a foul.
Ton, gusto ko yung hustle ng dalawang teams pareho. Ang sisipag nila kung blows out. Kahit may breakdown, mismatch, tuloy lang ang pressure.
There is that excitement factor para sa EAC. Sa Benilde naman, they are locked in. Gusto nilang makabawi after that opening day loss.
Ngayon na lang ako nakakakita ng old school back tip
Kailangan nyo mag-communicate dyan. Bagay, fade away. Liwag with a board. Ancheta against Ochavo. A matchup between two speed demons. Ancheta. Moore. SJ Moore. Couldn't take off properly. Normally, we would see him rise higher. Oh, Liwag with a rejection.
Hindi ka pwedeng pe-fake ng ganun kay Liwag. Oo. Isa sa mga leading shot blockers ito ng CSB Benilde Blazers.
Allen Liwag, all-defensive team member in season 100. Now, let's get those updates from courtside. Punta natin si Flo Del Agua.
Sometimes the key to being the toughest team is admitting that you can be vulnerable. Because of that, gentlemen, it's the perfect chance to talk about the new look of the Benilde Blazers today. Kung para sa karamihan, simpleng gupit lang to ng buhok. Earlier, sabi sa akin ni Allen Liwag, this is a statement. Consequence daw ito ng kanilang pagkatalo na sila mismo ang nagdesisyon at simbolo ito na kaya nilang isurrender ang kanilang mga sarili para sa team. The Blazers believe that when you're skinheads, you're vulnerable. And when you're vulnerable, that's when you can connect with your inner self, and deep inside, they know that they are winners. Anton and Coach Jerry.
I think, thank you so much, Flo, for pointing that out. Now, there was a time na when Coach Jericho Diniero was playing with Asi Taolava, as we see that basket by SJ Moore, lahat kayo nagpa-blunt ng buhok as a sign of unity.
Oo, pero makita mo naman, talagang grabe ang focus ni Sean O'Malley rito.
Oh, yung drop step niya kanina, Coach. Celis with a board. Celis to Liwag. Oh, look at the big man run. The reigning MVP, Allen Liwag. Oh, he's everywhere. Pero ang bilis din ng EAC.
Yes, yan ang downside. After conversion, you have to sprint back all the way on defense. Kaya ataking ka kagad ng EAC generals dyan.
And this is the elevation that we are used to seeing from SJ Moore. High school pa lang, dumadaktak na yan.
Oo, tsaka tignan mo yung take-off. Ang layo. Pareho sila ni Liwag,
Allen Liwag, his name across all statistical categories. Meron siyang block, meron siyang rebound, puntos, tumatakbo pa.
Yes, especially mga big guys, pag nag-rim run talaga. All the way, the guards will just look at you. May advantage doon, they'll just dump the ball inside.
Coach, itong tandem ni O'Malley at Liwag, I think it's rare that you have two dominant post presences in one game, in one team.
Yes, as long as they can run, tapos yung speed and quickness, agility, hindi nagsasuffer, pwede sila magsabay.
Oh, SJ Moore, he has the green light today. He's doing what Justin Sanchez was doing on opening day.
Yeah. Ganda kay Moore, humahasel pa. Late lang ng bantay ni Moore, ha? Si Kinyal. Okay, si Moore siguro around 6'3", 6'2", 6'3".
Grabe, oh. Umuupo sa ere. SJ Moore just picking up the ball. So hard to stop. And Justin Sanchez is the person encouraging him the most from the bench. Sanchez with a solid outing. Castillo with a steal. EJ Castillo. And called for traveling. Hinarangan.
Yun, nagsisignal sila sa bench, go hard to the basket. Kay Castillo, medyo yinuro fake niya eh.
Oo. Coach, you're right. 6'3" nga si SJ Moore.
Yes.
He just verified his height on the stat sheet. Liwag almost grabbing his own miss. Bola na sa mga general. EJ Castillo with a crossover. Natapikan ni Celis. And Coach Gerson Cabiltes calls a timeout with 6 minutes and 47 seconds remaining in the first. Let's take a look at a smart-looking kid, Nico Quinal. He is the new team captain of the EAC General, succeeding King Gurtiza. So, legit floor general, coach, itong si Nico Quinal.
Yes, itong bata na to, very composed. Hindi nagpapanik ito. Hindi masyado tumitira ng bad shots, ha? Basta ito, pagka nasa range yan, tumama siya, susundan niya. Talagang mataas din ang accuracy.
There you see the new team captain of the Generals. On the floor right now, though, Ochavo and Castillo. Castillo can also play off the ball, despite being a point guard. And look at Celis deny him. Ochavo. Ochavo. Oftana. Oftana! Oh, he is on today. Wilmar Oftana.
Hindi mo na pwedeng pabayaan yung Oftana ng ganyan. Tunamaan ka na ng isa. Boy.
And O'Malley standing nonchalantly.
Illegal screen. Tinawagan na illegal. Talagang lahat babagsak eh. Pag tumama kayo walang O'Malley.
Ochavo. Switch comes. Castillo. Oh, Castillo nadulas. Castillo. Oh, look at Ancheta on the floor.
Very aggressive tone ngayon ang CSB Blazers sa kanilang pick and roll. They trap, sometimes hard show, sometimes they trap it right away.
Look at... Ito yung kumbaga, alam namin na may mga articles na sinusulat tungkol sa'yo. You're all over social media. We're not gonna make it easy for you in the seniors division. Liwag to O'Malley. Something I thought I'd never say.
Ang ganda ng touch ni O'Malley. Kala mo hindi niya mapipinish eh.
Coach, double trouble to. Liwag at O'Malley. Silang dalawa pa yung nagpapasahan.
Yeah. Tsaka timing, yung spin niya, eksakto sa bank shot.
And it's coming from a drive from the wing. Liwag to O'Malley. Alis dyan!
Oo. Quick spin.
Usog yung bantay eh.
Oo. Pinararo. Sabi nga nila eh. Giba ang bumangga.
Bagay missing on the first. And Jacob Shanoda, former San Sebastian Golden Stag, on the floor right now. Athletic wingman si Shanoda.
Kailangan mo ng mga big body. You know, para makapagbigay ka ng presence din sa loob ng CSB, yung shaded area nila. Kung hindi, talagang all night ito. Buong araw to. Babrasuhin talaga ng CSB itong laban.
Bagay sinks the free throw. Okay, you love the energy of the Emilians. The EAC faithful packing the Phil Oil Center. Liwag. And again, Liwag to Umali. Oh, wow. Bash Brothers in effect. Oh, naisahan.
Oo.
Jude Bagay sealing Justin Sanchez.
Yung sobrang kumpiyansa ni Sanchez doon. Hindi niya kalain na ititira sa kanya ni Bakay.
Ngayon, pinafront na si Umali, coach, para hindi makatanggap. Sanchez for three. Justin Sanchez.
Justin Sanchez, isa sa mga pinaka high scoring ito last time.
24 points.
24 points ng first game.
Castillo, fade away. Oh, they're making it tough for the kid. Ancheta. Umali. Moore. Wide open. Too strong. And Oftana comes up with a basketball. Ochavo. Ochavo with Liwag on him. Ochavo. Oh, Shanoda with the finish.
Talaga makita mo talaga si Ochavo. No fear eh. Pag umatake, kahit malalaki kayo dyan eh.
Nung nakita niyang si Liwag yung nakabantay, talagang umarangkada bigla. Itong si Kyle Ochavo.
Now they're playing zone. Ton, baka siguro they can give them a different look sa depensa.
Jomel. Ancheta for three. Nope. Generals are running. Ochavo. Shanoda. Shanoda backing down Sanchez, and SJ Moore with a steal. 2-on-1 fast break. Liwag. Ancheta with a finish.
Yan, mukhang pagod na ata ang EAC Generals. Hindi sila bumababa sa depensa.
Tatlong players na ready pumasok para kay Coach Gerson Cabiltes. His team down by 7 now. Left wing triple. Ancheta. Benilde also stepping up the pace here. Sanchez. Liwag. Back to Ancheta. Ancheta to SJ. SJ Moore started this game, has not been taken out. SJ Moore!
Hindi bumababa energy ni SJ Moore. Talagang every opportunity. May driving lane. Kukunin niya.
And the first basket of Jacob Shanoda as an EAC General. And then, Allen Liwag. I'm seeing a lot of improvements passing ability.
I think si Liwag is getting around 6 assists. 6 to 4 assists. Yung last game nila versus San Beda, naka 4 assists siya. Very unselfish itong bata na to eh.
SJ Moore with an expanded role for Coach Charles Tew here in their second game.
Workhorse. Yan ang mga magandang dos eh. Alam mo yung binigyan mo na ng bola sa transition defense, bahala na siya tumiskarte.
And now, it's a brand new 5 for Benilde.
Very rare to kay Coach Charles ha. Nagpa-platoon substitution.
So you have Torres, Gaspay, Eusebio, Cometa, and Sanchez. Oh, wow! Wow, powering up.
Ton, that's what you call accelerate, decelerate, attack. No? Mabigat.
Lucero able to score underneath. Benil still ahead, 19-12. The way Justin Sanchez played on opening day, if he keeps this up and stays consistent all throughout the 13 games, he could be in for a mythical 5 type of a season.
Yes, Ton, grabing numbers na yan. 24 points in his first game. 29 minutes, pero makikita mo yung tiwala na binibigay ni Coach Charles. Talagang meron talagang ibubugay itong bata na to.
And of course, the improved 3-point shot. Di na nagdalawang isip, catch and shoot na para kay Justin Sanchez.
Tsaka lagi nakatribig, ha? Nakatribig lagi si Coach Charles.
Sanchez. Cometa being defended by Castillo. Gaspay, high-low play. Sanchez under goal stab.
Ganda ng pasa na yon. Yung eye contact, Ton. Ha? Galing.
So ngayon, wala si Liwag at si Umali on the floor. It's a faster lineup, a faster and more athletic lineup para sa Benil.
Medyo gumalaw ang paa ni Shanoda doon. Oo, ganda ng pick eh.
But look at this entry pass by Gaspay, right on the money. (21-12). Sanchez. Torres. Masyadong agresibo ang depensa sa pagkakataon na yun.
Oh, medyo malikot. Malikot yung defender. Dapat pagkaganyan. Asa ka na lang talaga sa nearest guy defender eh.
Sanchez. Oh, look at the clear out para kay Justin. Sanchez, pass was too high. And that's going to be EAC basketball. Omandak. Formerly from LPU. Now an EAC general, Castillo was not ready for that pass.
Grabe ang hustle dito ng CSB. Blazers ha, inside the shaded area. Lahat mo-close out.
Torres. Eusebio. Eusebio called for an offensive foul.
Oo, medyo diniinan niya ng balikat eh. With this size, talagang pipituhan yun.
Now let's take a look at Jerolan Omandak here.
Pero ganda ng defensive stance ng CSB Benil Blazers. Hindi sila umaagaw sa baba. Nakataas lang ang mga kamay nila. Because they have the advantage in height, in reach. Kaya gano'n lang. High percentage defense lang.
Castillo against Gaspay.
Oo, nakita mo si Gaspay, oh. Nakatapat lang.
Omandak missing. Eusebio with the board.
Oo, malakas din si Eusebio sa rebounding.
Cometa. Cometa to Eusebio. Eusebio on the attack. And Eusebio will head to the line for two.
Tama yun, Ton. Hindi na inilag ni Eusebio. Dinerecho niya na. Ayun, may contact. He was able to get the foul. Kaya athletic din naman to si Eusebio, eh, oh.
Anton Eusebio, one of those rare specimens who has that combination of size and athleticism.
Yes, grabe, napakaganda nitong itong nasa lineup ni Coach Charles. Napakayaman niya sa wing guys. At siguro 4-5 na wing niya, puro 6'3" and above eh.
Yun yung word. Napakayaman.
Oo. pwede sumentro eh.
This is a deep, deep Benildian lineup. Pamandak.
Tignan mo naman yung kino-contest ni Eusebio yung passing lanes, ha? Very rare for a wing guy to contest yung mga ball reversal.
Lucero.
Puli
Lucero. Oh, Gaspay with a block.
Haba ng kamay ng Gaspay. Hindi ka pwede rin dyan ng mga titira ka ng mga quick shot.
Nasa ere pa rin si Gaspay. Ang tagal niya sa ere. Castillo finally finds the bottom of the net. His first NCAA basket in the collegiate division.
Grabe tiwala ni Coach Gerson kay Castillo no? For a rookie.
But look at Castillo. It's as if he's in the playground behind the back dribble and finds a teammate. And the lead of Benil down to 6. Gaspay. Eusebio, extra pass. Sanchez for 3. Sanchez grabs his own miss. Sanchez. And that's going to be a foul on Cometa.
Yan, ganyan tira dapat. Close out, box out. Hindi pa rin tapos yan, hindi mo na re-recover.
Catch and shoot off the pearl for the kid, EJ Castillo.
Now, Castillo's playing 2 guard, right, Ton?
Yep.
Oh, 2. Dos.
Alan Liwag nagbabalik sa ating laro. Matthew Ollie also checking in now for the Benildians.
Pagka ganyan na Ton, hirap din kay Coach Charles. Lahat nagtatama. Ang hirap din humanap ng chemistry, ng kombinasyon eh. Napandiin mo sa dulo eh.
Yun coach yung good problem. Kasi may materyales, it's just a matter of finding yung tamang kombinasyon
Yeah.
and magamit mo lahat efficiently.
Right. I see Coach Gerson naman with this experience. He's just hoping na this game will be closer.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero madikit niya lang eh. Malaking bagay na yan.
Ollie for 3. Sanchez, offensive rebound. Another offensive rebound, and Sanchez is able to put it up and in.
Grabe athleticism, yung second jump, no? Ni Sanchez.
You're back with us live on GTV, simulcast on Heart of Asia. 2 empty possessions for EAC and Benil to begin the second quarter. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Anton Rojas alongside Jerry Codiniera. And of course, we have Flo Del Agua reporting from Portside. So, Alan Liwag nagbabalik sa ating laro. He started this game alongside Sean O'Malley. And what a dominant first quarter it was for O'Malley. He had 6 points, coach.
Yan, ganda nun. For a big guy, galing ka sa 1-year residency and yet you will start with 3 straight baskets, post move, high percentage, mga good moves. Kaya I'm sure ito maraming ilalaro pa na maganda to si Sean O'Malley.
Nakapag-invest agad sa real estate.
Oh.
Si Sean O'Malley, now he is establishing himself and building from there. Cometa. Torres. Oh, may agaw dito. EJ Castillo. EJ Castillo is blocked by Torres.
Medyo hindi pwede yung mga ganun tira na pang juniors. Kailangan konting tigas, konting pin down. Sabi ni Torres, oy, hindi pwede yan dito.
Torres did not want to be a part of that highlight.
Oo.
That would have been all over social media kung na-shoot ni Castillo ron. But now it's Torres who has the highlight.
Ganda ng laro ni Torres last time sa versus San Beda.
Lucero. Omandak. Shanoda, straight away three. In and out. All right, let's get another courtside update. Balikan natin si Flo Del Agua.
Antonio, Coach Jerry, napag-usapan niyo nga yung Steph Curry camp ni EJ Castillo. At kanina nakwento niyo nga sa akin paano niya dinala ang experience na ito sa EAC. Unang-una, ginagawa na daw ng Generals ang iconic pre-game shooting routine. At ginawa din nila yan kanina dito sa Phil Oil. But apart from any skills, ang pinaka-napulot daw ni EJ is the reality that at 19 years old, kaya na daw pala niyang makaabot sa malalayong lugar. So Castillo says if his wildest dreams are possible, then beating a powerhouse team should be the same. Gentlemen.
Matagal nating inantay itong debut ni EJ Castillo and we have followed the story, but right now Benil is of course making it difficult for him, and Sanchez continues to perform for the Benildians.
Tsaka very composed si Sanchez ngayon. Makikita mo talagang
Ganda sana nun, Coach, para kay Angeles.
oo. Talagang wala nang ibang pwedeng itira yun kundi ganun na lang Mahirap naman kaliwain yun. Pero I like their intensity. Si Benil Blazers much improved compared to sa dinipensa nila versus sa San Beda.
Gaspay, Sanchez to Liwag. Liwag. Oh, teardrop is good. Soft touch by the big man.
Ton, dito pag dumidepensa ako din si Benil Blazers, pick your poison Kanino ba tayo? Kay Liwag or kay Sanchez?
Lucero, masyadong malakas. Ito na si Justin.
Ton, sa laki ng bumablangka talagang hindi na makita ni Lucero yung board
Omandak. Lucero. Oh, Lucero will back down Ian Torres. At eto na naman tayo, Coach. Coach Jerry, Umali, and Liwag back on the floor. Sisikip na naman yung paint.
Eto na si Boss. Oo. The big boss. Hindi ka nagwe-weights, Ton. Nowadays, pag hindi ka nagwe-weights, sentro ka, paano na lang. Di ba? Big Bo. Ayan ang mga nakakatabi mo. Patay.
Hindi mo mauurong yan. Masakit yan.
Oo. Baka lagi nasa rehab ka na lang parati, gabi-gabi. Nag-yelo, nag-ultrasound.
Oh! Off the glass! Wow! Felix Villarente over the reigning MVP.
Naka-ano sila, small. Medyo kailangan domain na sa press itong EAC Generals.
Ancheta. Sanchez, double team. Sisipak ng mga Generals. Swarming defense. Umali wants it. Oh, what a pass. Oh, yun lang.
Ganda ng pasa. Ano lang. Na-deflect lang.
Oftana. So let's take a look at this Villarente 3 over Allen Liwag. EAC staying with it. Down by just 5. salute to the Emilians. Students from Emilio Aguinaldo College all here today on this Saturday para suportahan ang kanilang komunidad. First game of the season. Siyempre, ibang excitement dyan, Coach.
Oo, alam mo, makikita mo kahit yung crowd support, grabe, full force. Especially rito sa EAC Generals.
Ancheta. Ancheta to Big Sean. A three. Cajucom with the board. Cajucom. Liwag. Oh, a steal. Villarente intercepts that pass by Liwag.
Yan yung talaga mahirap pagka nandun na sa possession ng EAC Generals. You know, you still try to grab the ball, steal the ball. Prone na sa foul yun eh. Parang ganyan eh. Oo.
Dinadaan sa sipag eh.
Oo.
At activity ito EAC. They're smaller than Benilde, but they're the ones getting the deflections, Coach.
Yes, talagang it's hustle eh. Pure hustle. You just stay within your range. You'll never know. Baka fumble na rin ang player eh. Sa sobrang hawak sa bola.
Bagay. Ayan yung klase ng atake na kailangan mo kapag may umali na nakaabang. Kailangan unahan mo na.
Yes, correct. Oo. Sometimes yung determine yung barometer is imagine 2-3 dribbles, walang dumadating na help. Prone na sa fouls.
So Jude Bagay getting past SJ Moore, getting past the help defense of Allen Liwag. At I can't believe I'm saying this, but napaatras si Umali sa bantay, sa bangga ni Bagay.
Oo. Si Bagay, hindi yung Euro to. Hindi Euro step, side step. Dire-diretso siya body hoping to get a foul. Yun ang skill nito eh. Mautak na player.
Umali unable to get to his spot. Kaya naunahan siya ni Bagay. Oh!
Ayun
Bagay just missing on the free throw.
Yeah, that's a no-no ha. Kuhan siya, marireboundan sila Liwag doon.
Oh, what a pass. Oftana. In and out. Liwag with a board. Liwag to Cajucom. Cajucom accelerates. Liwag put back. Oh, bodies on the paint. Villarente.
Medyo,
Oh!
Buti, nakailag.
That was a scary elbow there. Liwag.
Medyo yung both teams, medyo nawawala ng control sa atake. Oo.
What a pace. What a pace. And look at this. Umali. Oh.
Buti.
Buti ka na. Buti na lang. Hindi inabot.
Oo, jackpot sana. Pagka ganyan, na-secure na. Medyo protect the face. Di ba? Keep your arms up. Protect your body, your face. Kasi mahirap eh. Yung mga ganyan size, Liwag, talagang hindi nagbababa ng mga braso yan. Pag nag-secure ng bola yan, elbows out.
The King Blazer, Allen Liwag, unable to complete the three-point play. Pero napakasipag din itong si Allen Liwag.
Oh, hindi bumababa ang talon ha. All the way, offensive rebounding niya, attack siya ng attack. And offensa niya, hindi nawawala.
Villarente. Bagay. Villarente to Tolentino. Oftana. And the referee say one more.
Ganda ng move, kaso lang late dumating si Liwag coming from the baseline, yung late yung collapse niya ron. Magagalit si Coach Toroman yan. Oh.
Na-anticipate ni Wilmer.
Oh. Late ang dating.
Nag-reach si Cajucom. At kahit may nakaabang na Liwag, Oftana with the craftiness to bank it off the glass with that floater.
steady to si Octana eh.
Morales now in for the first time for the Benildians. Umali screaming for the ball. Double team.
Dinobol na.
Villarente. Oh, what a fake by Villarente. And Loristo with a putback. And here come the Emilians.
Blazers has to restore order dito sa sitwasyon na to. Medyo wala silang... Yan.
Kahukom. Good drive. Confident move. Oh, Loristo. Finding Bagay. The Benil defense caught napping.
Medyo pagod na rin eh. Tinitignan ko ton. Medyo pagod na rin. Hindi na sila may sprint back on defense.
Umali. Spin move. Umali. Loristo with a board. A steal by Kahukom. Kahukom from the free throw line. Bitin. Oh. Bagay. Oftana wants it. But Bagay has it in the post. A chance to tie. Bagay. Too strong. Umali. Gobbles up the rebound.
Mga 3-4 inches din binibigay niya ha. Bagay ha. Gutsy player from EAC Generals.
Kahukom. Another drive. Ancheta. Floater. Short. And Morales with the putback. And now Coach Jerson Cabildes calls a timeout. Happy weekend, folks. It's our first NCAA weekend. And of course, the ladies are dressed real nice for the occasion.
Dami naka-white. Ton.
Can't go wrong with the classics.
For a while, medyo hininto ni Coach Charles yung full court press niya. Pero ngayon, balik na naman sila sa high percentage press nila. Opportunity trap lang. Pag may pagkakataon, itatrap nila. Pero pag wala, stick lang sa man.
Oftana, atake. Oh, Loristo with the dunk.
Sumasalpak talaga yung bata na yan, ha? Kahit last year.
So we saw a dunk, the first dunk of the season by Allen Liwag on opening day. Here is a two-handed rim grazer by Jello Loristo.
Ganda ng basa ni Octana doon.
Morales, high arcing shot. Sanchez fakes, power dribble, could not finish with the left.
Uy!
And the basket goes up and in.
Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng tirang ganon doon. Baliktad yung spin. Shoot, oh. Gaspay.
Let's break this down. Look at that power dribble by Sanchez. And then ito yung kakaibang tira na binanggit ni Coach Jerry Codiniera. Ito yung tinatawag ni Coach Hammer na palit bumbilya.
Oo.
Gaspay. Sanchez from the corner.
Pero above the rim ang kuhaan ng bola, Ton.
Torres with a floater.
Kung di kay Morales ang bola, rebound ni Sanchez. Kung di kay Sanchez, Gaspay.
Kinal is now in. Oftana, that's way off. Oftana wanted a foul. Right now, Benil just outworking EAC on the boards. Morales, Ollie. Oh no, the pass was too high for Torres.
Medyo one-hand pass eh. Sabi, drift pass o spray pass. Yan ang mga uso ngayon eh, ng mga pasa eh. One hand. Dati, hindi pwedeng ganyan pasa eh. One hand, kaya two hands, sabi ni Coach Charles.
Ano nga, Coach? Nakita ko si Coach Marvin Bienvenida at si Coach JC Colliar. Sabi nila kay Matthew, tira mo na.
Oo. Ang hahaba nitong CSB Blazers.
Postanes. Postanes over Sanchez. And ill-advised shot right there.
They close out well, ha? Itong team ni Coach Charles. Talagang hindi malikot, you know. Walang fouls. Mahaba lang. Talagang ano lang. They're right in front of your face. Tsaka babad dito si Gaspay. He doesn't shoot much. Pero yung hustle, energy giver.
Nung nakita ni Coach Charles na na-out-hustle sila, pinalik niya agad itong si Gaspay. Torres. Daha. Sanchez. Multiple fakes. Back to Daha. And Sanchez with another offensive rebound, but his pocket was picked by Postanes. Ochavo. Ochavo fouled by Daha.
Yun, medyo advantage si Ochavo doon. Kay Daha, he's a small guy. Hindi pwede siyang, he cannot defend that. Hindi niya pwede depensa ng ganun kalapit yun.
It's so hard, Coach, to stay in front of Kyle Ochavo.
Oo. Kahit sabihin mo malaki step mo. Grabing quickness eh.
Jetro Pacud in the game for the first time para sa EAC. EAC struggling from the free throw line.
Yung mga maliliit na bagay, free throws, second chance points, yan ang dapat. You have to really be... Hindi mo pwedeng pakawalan yung chance na yan eh.
Sanchez. Cross-court pass. Oh. Daha with the illegal screen. Nakahuli siya doon. So Nico Kinal, EAC captain, back on the floor. Wilmar Oftana. Siyempre, gustong makapuntos ni Coach Gerson bago matapos itong first half natin, Coach.
Yes, oo. Iba pa rin yung ano, maka-score ka tapos bago ka pumasok sa dugout, naka-score ka.
Here we go. Perhaps the final possession for EAC here in this period. Liwag with a defense. Torres to Sanchez. Sanchez throws it out. Daha. Corner triple. Short. EAC still has time. Kinal stops and shoots a three. And Torres rises above Ochavo. And how about that? A third possession for EAC bago matapos itong quarter na to.
Medyo sayang yung tinira ni ano na yun, ni Kinyal. Yeah, Kinyal, 11 seconds to go. Pwede pa. Pwede pa ng isa pang pasa yun.
There is a head coach's challenge.
Can you imagine that? 3 possessions in under 40 seconds for EAC.
Oo.
Ganun kabilis ito ang laro natin.
Yes, oo. Talagang ano yan eh. It's their strategy coming from Coach Gerson eh. Kasi nga naman, pag sinet mo to, lalaki ng CSB.
So let's see if it will really be a third possession for EAC. So makukuha ni Torres dito. Torres. And... oh! Oftana. There was that left hand of Oftana.
Yes, parang ano.
Pero nakaturo pa rin ang referee sa side ng EAC, coach.
Oo nga eh. Oo. Baka, ano ba, sino ba nakakita ron?
So it's going to be EAC possession.
Ba, it's a big break ha?
Yeah.
From EAC. Generals.
And let's see if they can take advantage.
Pwede pa to. 5.4 seconds. One good screen. Quick shot. Walang screen na tumama.
Oftana. Oh, Ochavo. 1 second left. Kinal. No foul called.
Masyadong masikip yung shaded area para ibigay pa ni Ochavo yun.
Dumilimpik na yung paningin ni Kyle Ochavo. May gaspay
Oo.
na naka-blanket sa kanya.
Oo.
The Vanillians are up by 5 over the Emilians. Here at the half, this is our live coverage of NCAA Season 101, Building Greatness.
You can say that, Ton, kasi I mean, may takbo eh. May takbo, their post, they can shoot outside, tsaka yung ball distribution, nandun eh. So hindi ka na maghahanap, meron ka pang mahasel na Celis. Tapos plus si Moore.
Second half, officially underway. Maraming salamat muli sa inyong panonood ng Ton Ross with Coach Jericho Diniera. At kasama rin po namin si Flo Del Agua at courtside. Ancheta libre mula sa labas. Jomel. Short. And Bagay scores on the touchdown.
Coach Charles was complaining, traveling daw, pero on the catch naman eh. Hindi pa niya na gather yung bola, kaya allowed pa rin yun ng 1-2 rhythm.
Umali. Liwag. Liwag to SJ. Oh! Tumulong palabas. SJ Moore.
Sayang yung mga ganyang point blank range.
Kinal shoots a 3. Too strong. Ball is loose. Look at Moore dive for it. And that's the effort you want to see. Ancheta pinit-pit ang bola, finishing with a left hand.
Good decision coming from Cajeta, kahit humihingi na ng love si Liwag doon.
Oftana. Ochavo gives it to Jude Bagay. Oftana against Moore. Bagay contra Celis. Bagay, fade away. Ancheta with a board. Ancheta to Celis. Umali, nagpakawala ng tres. And that's going to be Benildian basketball. Jomel Ancheta. A beautiful drive to the basket.
Smart move, malayo pa lang, tinake off niya na, release niya na kagad.
SJ, too strong.
Yun, nakulangan ni Ancheta si ron, Oftana.
Umali, too strong as well.
Pero bihira niya gamitin yung kaliwa doon eh.
Loristo beating everybody down the floor.
Yan yung ginagawa kanina ni Liwag eh, yung rim run. Ngayon, ginagawa ni Lorista kayo, nakita niya eh. Effective eh.
Sa pagbaba pa lang ng bola, talagang pinapatrabaho ni Ochavo, si Jomel Ancheta. And look at Loristo beating the bigs of Benil down the floor.
Magandang trade yan eh, big man. Tumakbo ka lang. Sometimes kahit walang pasa ang guardia, makikita ka rin yan eh.
Celis rattles in that triple.
Tumitira din pala to si Celis sa labas, ano?
Celis makes it a 6-point advantage for Benil. Ochavo. 8 on the shot clock. Ochavo. Dangerous pass. Oftana pulls up. No go.
Oh, yan Very style talaga ni Ochavo. Nagpo-probe eh. Probe. Baka may opportunity. Pero sometimes, yung shot clock, importante yun. Bebuelo pa rin shooters mo.
Celis drains his first basket of the game. Oh, Moore loses control of the basketball. Bagay finishing on the break.
One thing si Bagay, makaka-steal, no? Parang slow, pero very smart guy. Oh, yan na naman, oh. Buntikan. Buti na lang, malaki-laki kaha ni Umali dun.
Jude Bagay, coach, last year only averaged 5.11 points per game. Right now, Bagay has 9 points, coach.
Yes, ang laki ng increase yun, ha? From 5 points to 9, malaking-malaki yan. Especially yung playing time pa niya, mahaba-haba.
Oh, coach, last year, 10 minutes per game lang ang ina-average niya.
Wala na si Gortiza. Wala na yung mga scorer nila.
Celis. Oh, nagkagawan doon si SJ at si Sean.
Ganda tumibig si Bagay sa rebounding, eh.
Omandak for 3. Too strong. Ancheta with the board. Ancheta is running. Ancheta to Liwan. And now, let's go to Flo Del Agua for this courtside updates.
With the scoreboard now here in the second half, Coach Gerson Cabiltes wants to see more of Wilmar Oftana, pero pinag-iingat daw siya sa kanyang mga contact dahil paano daw siya mabababad kung napapadami na ang kanyang fouls. I was actually able to catch Wilmar briefly at the half at sinabi niya sa akin na fresh pa daw sa kanyang memory ang nangyari last season when they went against Benil kung saan off day siya and he only scored 3 points throughout the entire game, but with a better go signal this season, he is determined to redeem himself. But since we are in a timeout now, let me hear your thoughts after we come back.
Saturday afternoon. And it's a packed house here at the Pinoy Center in San Juan. Huge shout out to all of our Kapuso televiewers watching on GTV and Heart of Asia. And to everybody watching as well on Facebook and YouTube via NCAA Philippines or GMA Sports PH. Maraming salamat po. Intense matchup sa pagitan ng Benil at ng EAC. Ochavo pulls up. Oh, Moore got a piece of that. Bagay. So tough to score with Liwag and Umali in the post or in the paint. SJ. Atake. SJ. Oh, what a tough player to stop.
Yeah. Si Moore, talagang yan ang strength niya, eh. Penetration, eh. Medyo yung shooting, medyo hindi pa siya masyadong tumatama dyan. Pero sa drive, ang laki ng chance na pumasok pagka-drive si Moore.
SJ Moore from the Arellano Juniors basketball program. Kinover natin to, coach. He was a high-flying high school baller. And then, of course, took his talents to the Growling Tigers. But then decided to come home to the NCAA and now wearing a different shade, wearing that Benilian green.
Yes, hinahanap niya talaga yung NCAA sa ano niya. Oh.
Kita niyo yun?
Oo. Inaantok pa yan. Galing pa sa pahinga yan, halftime. Oh.
Nilagay yung bola sa likod ng kanyang ulo, coach.
Oo. Leaper talaga.
You guys really have to come to a game live and watch the warm-ups. So, marami mga high flyers dito, lalo na sa Benil. Ancheta with a fadeaway.
Hindi sila maka-entry pass eh. Yung CSP Benilde Blazers kay Liwag eh. Masyadong malambot yung pasa. Dapat hindi pwedeng telegraphic. Madiin dapat eh.
EJ Castillo, talagang dinedenay siya ni Celis. They know the scouting report. Pinag-aralan talaga.
Hard show sila sa pick and roll, Ton.
Oh, what a pass. Oh, but Alan Liwag.
Good call.
Just all over the place. Pag hindi ka umangat agad, mahahabol ka ni Allen eh.
Oo. The more ka na mag-fade away or step back, aabutan ka niya.
And the Generals run out of time.
You know, dapat the guards should be aware sa oras, shot clock. Alam mo, ikaw ang mandando dyan eh. Commanding general inside the court eh. Parang ikaw ang coach eh. Little coach.
Ancheta. Celis. Jomel with 8 on the shot clock. Ollie. One dribble pull-up. Ollie, no. Celis, offensive rebound, and a foul was called.
Parang medyo tinamaan nata si Celis doon sa ulo.
Here is the review on the last round.
So, it was Celis who was fouled on the shot. Put back attempt yun, Coach. Panoorin natin muli. So, this is the one dribble pull-up of Matthew Ollie. Celis with the offensive rebound goes up and...
Uy.
Oh!
Dalawang, may kontak.
Oh, no.
Lucero.
Oh, no.
Ako.
So, clearly, he hit Celis on the forearm.
Oo.
And then, sinundan pa niya sa ulo.
Oo. Ako, technical talaga yun.
Yeah, you cannot do that.
Sign of frustration, Ton. Especially mga ganyang kalalaki. Pero hindi ka naman pwede antay ka na lang talaga ng fumble eh.
So, unsportsmanlike foul called on Lucero. Celis. This is going to be 2 free throws for him.
Laking bagay nitong review eh, no? Ton. Lalo especially mga referees natin. Gumaangat trabaho nila.
Good on the first. Celis. And because of that unnecessary hit to the head, lumobo na bigla yung lamang nitong Benil.
Yes, oo. Talagang ano na. Medyo kailangan. They need to stop here. They need to maka-stop man lang sila rito. Ngayon, balak sila sa zone, Ton. Baka ayan.
Turnover by the Benildians. Castillo. Castillo. Fakes. Castillo trying to get it to Angeles. Pero may agaw doon, Torres. And that's a foul away from the ball as Alan Liwag was sealing his man.
Oo. His intentions are good. Nakasil siya, kaso walang eye contact. You know, the guard has to be aware. Sila Torres, Celis, baka big man mo, ganyan. Very quick. Off a rebound. Hanapin mo kailangan kagad.
Pero yung defenders ng EAC, wala na magawa dito kay Allen na pumepwesto.
Oo. Automatic pin down yun.
This is now the biggest lead of the game.
Tsaka makikita mo, hindi masyado nagsasab na si Coach Charles. Talagang nakadiin na siya dito para coming to the fourth quarter, di ba? Mas madali na niyang i-hybrid yung lineup.
It's now a double-digit lead.
Oh.
Tolentino.
Nagkakaroon sila ng miscommunication, yung EAC Generals.
Angeles breaks free.
Pero nakita ni Angeles, nagkakagulo kayo. Drive ko nga. Oh, ayun, puntos.
Celis. Good fake. Celis for three. Shanoda. Shanoda can run. Shanoda can't finish though. And that's traveling on Eusebio. Angeles setting up that roadblock.
Nautakan niya si si Eusebio.
Three minutes and 43 seconds remaining in the third. Sanchez nagbabalik sa ating laro.
Pero malayo pa to, Tol.
Yep.
It's still within reach. They just have to do yung mga good adjustments sa depensa ng EAC Generals.
And EJ Castillo, his second field goal. And if this kid can get going, things will get very interesting. Benil up by 6, they sue for time. EJ Castillo making his NCAA Season 100 debut. First game as an EAC General. Catch, jab step, pull up, right on the money.
Perimeter, Tol. Hindi pa. Siguro someday, 3 points. Pero for now, 2 points muna.
The talent is clearly there. The Steph Curry influence is there, but like Coach Jericho Deniera said, if he can develop that three-point shot, he's going to be a problem for the rest of the competition here in the NCAA. Torres. Liwak. Liwak. Oh, look at that rebound right there.
Actually, Coach, yung Gerson, yung team ng EAC Generals, they're doing a good job in collapsing on Liwag. Walang pumapalo, walang umaaga, walang sumusundot.
Castillo. Oh my goodness! EJ Castillo
Oy,
freezing his defender.
umaangas na. 6 points.
Here we go. Down to 4 is the Benillian lead. Liwag. Oh, niluwa pa.
Sayang yun kay Liwag. Normally yun. Dakla sa kanya yun kay Liwag
Welcome to the EJ Castillo Show. Can I have this dance, Mr. Morales? Keep up with me. Castillo right in his face. And the celebration a la Steph Curry, pointing to the heavens. Coach, nung panahon mo, there were a lot of players who could freeze their defender with those types of moves na parang sumasayaw. I remember Johnny Abarrientos.
Johnny, yes, oo. Talagang that's their point of attack eh. Del Rin kung saan ka, kakagat ka pa sa head and shoulder nila. If not, boom, quick pull-up.
Naalala ko si Johnny A.
Oo.
You know, he's not the tallest player, but you can't do anything with him kasi you're so worried about him driving.
Yes,
And then he's just gonna pull up.
Pull up, oo. Kasi alam mo naman, the moment yung nilagay na yung bola dyan sa floor, it's either attack na yan eh.
to 44. Shanoda to Castillo.
Hindi nagtatago sa bola. Makita mo. Yan lang.
Dinoble team na. Oh! That's a 5-second violation.
Masyadong matagal yon. You cannot grab the ball that long. Yan ang magpalakas din ang katawan. No? Ton.
Yep. He's 19, coach.
Oo.
Batang-bata pa.
Oo. With Torres, Cometa, mga seasoned players na to eh. Oo.
Just imagine a full season of conditioning and living in the weight room.
Oo.
What that can do for this kid as he grows into his body. Cometa with a floater. Oh no! Almost a steal as Shanoda tried to get it.
Saka mga guards, hindi lang recipient yan ng atake mo, a-attack din yan pag iniskoran mo.
Castillo. In and out. Torres. Cometa. Short. At babalik ang bola sa Generals.
Medyo hindi umiikot ang bola ng CSB Benil Blazers dito. Puro nasa right side lang. Before, first 2 quarters, ganda ng ikot ng bola nila.
Under 2 minutes left here in the third period. Shanoda. Tolentino. Tolentino breaking free. Yun nga lang.
Sayang yun.
Too much momentum.
Wide open.
Morales.
Medyo walang touches dito si Sanchez, oh.
Morales susubok mula sa labas. Shanoda with a board. Castillo. Right wing. Triple try by Geraldine. Angeles. Oh! Angeles finds a way.
Hassel, no, Ton? Hindi nag-give up, eh, no?
Gaspay. Gaspay. Smother.
May pasa pa.
Sanchez. Libre mula sa labas. Justin Sanchez. Sure ball.
Siya na sinasabi niya, bigay mo. Nakasaya siya kanina, eh. Hindi umikot ang bola. Nakabang lang yung Sanchez, eh.
Meron ng 11 punto si Justin Sanchez. Shanoda, aatake. Naagawan ni Sanchez. Sanchez binigay kay Cometa. Binigay dito kay Gaspay. Cometa. Sanchez. Mouse in the house.
Good read. Ganda. Ganda ng read ni Cometa ron. Nakita niya kaagad yung big man niya, si Sanchez, pumoste.
EAC is still in this game because of their hustle. Angeles tracking the loose ball and laying it up and in, but pamatay sunog agad, Justin Sanchez. At 6'5", Justin Sanchez is a nightmare to match up with.
Mobile, wala ka nang hahanapin pa. He can dribble, very composed, good defender, no? Pwede pang gilas.
This is, yeah. This is the most mature Sanchez that we've seen.
Oo.
niya yung ganyang katawan and skill set. He has the outside shot now. Definitely can represent. Oh, a foul.
Yeah. Hindi niya na-control yung momentum ni Justin Sanchez ron eh.
Pero may isa pang foul to give. Etong Benilde. Oh no, dangerous pass. Kahukov bounces it off Tolentino, and the Benildians will have one last shot at it. And Coach Charles Tew sending back in the trio of guards, Cometa, Torres, and Ancheta.
Ganda ng time management ni Coach Charles.
Oo.
No? Talagang lahat nabibigyan niya ng pahinga din yung ibang key players.
Cometa, nabitawan ng bola. But Benilde ending the period with a furious rally as they are up by 11. One more quarter to go here in our second game on this Saturday sa NCAA Season 101. Coach Jerry, this time against Arellano. So Mapua figuring in edge of your seat action dito sa pagsisimula ng ating bagong season, Coach.
Oh, alam mo naman, siyempre, pag Mapua champion, nandun pa rin yung kumpiyansa niyan eh. With Coach Randy, kailangan lagi ka on your toes. Hindi pwedeng kumpiyansa ka dyan.
Cometa. Cometa on the run. Gaspay. Gaspay na agawan. Bagay. Oh, sorry miss by Jude Bagay.
Hirap talaga. It's sobrang effort ibagay doon para niya ma-convert yun. But they have the numbers eh, 3-on-2.
Ochavo completes the steal. Ochavo asking for a foul. Sayang yung pagkakataon doon, Coach.
Oo.
Dahil may nagte-trail na Oftana.
Oh, hindi niya nakita yon. Medyo narrow yung approach niya, yung angle ng pasa niya eh. Hindi niya inopen eh. Walang spacing.
Torres switching hands and finishing with his left. And now it is the biggest lead of the game for the Benildians. Timeout, EAC. So, ito yung pambawi ni Ian Torres. Naagawan kasi siya ni Kyle Ochavo. Sabi ni Torres, kala mo, ikaw lang yung mabilis.
Hindi papatalo yan si Torres. Ganda rin ang game dyan noong last time. So pag wala ka rin depensa kay Torres, nako, sisingiling ka niya.
13-point advantage for Benilde. Loristo. Oftana.
Yan.
Bagay.
Tiyempo lang. high-low play.
Morales, Gaspay.
Yung weak side rotation sa half-court press ng EAC General medyo hindi gumagana eh. Oo.
Torres. Morales, high arcing shot. Sa arc code ng tira ni Morales, naalala ko si Dirk Nowitzki.
Taas.
Sobrang taas.
Oo. Tsaka mahasel. Itong Kometa. Tsaka ito si Torres. Grabe sa bola. They have a nose for the ball.
And more trouble coming.
Ito na si The Boss.
The big boss. Sean O'Malley is back. Kumanda na kayo. Ayan na siya. Oh. Did you see what O'Malley did? Hinarangan yung bantay. Kaya libre-libre si Justin Sanchez.
Smart move, Ton. Makita mo. Alam niya, pero pwede niya atakin. Pero nakita niya, better shooter si Sanchez. Yun lang, pinas out niya lang. Libre. Sometimes yung experience, hindi mo makikita sa mga bagong players yun eh. Yung read, how to read the game.
Oftana. Now with 10 points para sa Generals. Sanchez. Cometa. The Benildian captain drains it.
That's what you need. Talagang two-man game, space it out, pag kick out, open na open. Kakalabitin na lang mga shooter yan.
O Chavo nakabawi. Torres. O'Malley. Cometa from the elbow. Mainit na. He's talking.
Mahirap tong backcourt tandem ni Coach Charles. Torres at Cometa. Talagang parehong kamador ito eh.
Confidence and aura is rising.
Si Gaspay, kahit hindi mo bigyan ng bola, pwede. Hindi nagdedeman ng bola, oh. O yan, yung handoff.
Ito yung
Iyan, oh.
kingpin screen.
Oh.
Subukan mo lang.
No, hindi niya na nakita yung lower box eh. May screen si Sean sa laki. It takes siguro 1.5 seconds para ka maka-close out doon, Ton. Diba?
Cometa bringing the ball down. This is a 14-point advantage for the Benildians. Gaspay. Torres mula sa kanto. Torres drains it. And now we get a courtside update from Flo Del Agua.
Gentlemen, you know, the last time that these guys faced each other was actually during a championship match in the off-season, so they are more than familiar with each other. This is why in the Benil, the huddle, the coaches instructed the players to maintain a certain level of defensive intensity as they recognize that the Generals are more than capable of biting back. Pero hindi lang depensa ang naging instruction ni Coach Charles Chu, as he also wants more openings for Justin Sanchez, the leading scorer for the Blazers. Will he make another top scoring performance in this game today? We'll find out. For now, back to you guys.
Well, right now, Flo, Justin Sanchez has 16 points to lead all scorers in this game.
Yes, talaga yan naman talaga ang leading scorer nila dyan, ni Coach Charles. Plus, yung mga support din. Grabe ang support na binibigay ng mga players, especially the guards. They're doing their job so well. Kikita nila sino mainit, sino nakakatakbo, at sino yung may advantage.
We've been giving high praise to Justin Sanchez. We have Coach Jericho Diniera even going as far as saying he has Gilas potential. And itong si Sanchez being 6'5" and able to do what he can do. O'Malley, what a pass! What a delivery! Cometa.
Yan talaga, pag kinamita mo ng mga elbow play, high post play, pag mahina ka off the ball defense dyan, talagang prone ka niya sa backdoor.
Gab Cometa, when did you get hot? 7 points right away.
Ano na, pero execution na eh. Diyan makikita yung team. they execute so well, especially pag mga ganyan ma-pressure yung team, yung kalaban.
And now the Benillians coach looking to cruise to their first win here in season 101. And all the talk, coach, about how deep and how talented the lineup of the Benillians are going into this season. Wala pang Tony Inot yan.
Yeah, problema na yan kay Coach Charles, yung kombinasyon na lang. Pero when it comes to lineup, they have everything. Ang dami niyang wing.
Ito na si Sanchez. Cometa. 5. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Walang mapuntahan. Ochavo gets it to Dominguez. Ancheta, baseline drive. Liwag.
Yun, medyo nagko-complain si ano doon. Si Sanchez, nakita niya, mas libre siya ron. Medyo yung dish off niya ron, medyo offline.
Umali. Ancheta.
With that lead, you need to execute more. Kaya kailangan dapat i-run the clock. Look for the best offensive player, kung sino libre, you know.
Coach Gerson Cabentes looking on after this huge fourth quarter by Benilde. It really started with that furious rally to end the third. Doon nakakuha ng momentum ang Benilde, coach.
Yes, oo, talagang bumigay na nung bandang dulo eh. Pero sometimes, you know, kasama yung sa basketball yung sometimes hindi ka nakaka-score. But yung defense talaga dapat, it should stick sa laban.
Liwag sumubok mula sa labas, coach.
Yeah, first time niya ginawa yan ah.
Oh! Another wild shot converted by Jude Bagay. Ancheta. And that's a foul on Gab Cometa.
Medyo si Ancheta nawawala ng control. Kanina nag-turnover na. Tapos plus another one. Siguro baka pagod na rin. Fatigue factor.
Oh, good defense by Ancheta. Castillo against Torres. And that's a foul on Ian Torres.
Hindi ka talaga bibigyan ng space. Pag si Torres ang mga tumapat sa'yo, Cometa, alam nilang weakness mo kagad eh. They will shade the side na kung saan ka malakas eh. Tapos nakalalay din na malaki. Liwag, Umali. Talagang wala kang free lane. Walang libreng lane dito.
And Torres picks the pocket of the rookie. Oh, yun lang. Oh, Umali.
Tumba ka kay boss. Tumama kay Sean.
Alam mo nga, may extra effort ang boss kapag tumatalon siya ng ganyan, coach.
Oo. Tama yun, oh.
Castillo from the baseline.
Uy. Malalakas tong players ni Coach Charles. Ang bibigat. Solid lahat ng mga katawan eh.
Coach, trinong 5 ni Coach Charles, ano? I mean, kulang na lang si Justin.
Oo.
bagay.
Yan. I'm sure they will milk the clock. Ubusin na nila oras dito.
Torres throws it out to Celis. Inside to Ancheta. And right now, Benilde is just putting the finishing touches on this masterpiece.
Yes, yan ang inaantay talaga ng mga big guys. Siyempre, yung mga pasa sa guards like Ancheta, Cometa, yan.
So for EAC, coach, I know it's a huge lead as we see this passing the patience of the Benildians. Ano yung mga positives na nakita mo mula sa Generals? I know it's a rebuilding year for them again.
Yes, a lot. Kasi number one kanina, they were in the game eh. Siguro 5-point lead. So they were in the game. Siguro they just have to manage when to attack and when not to attack. Siguro I think that call will come from the guards. They have to read the defense very well. Na minsan baka may advantage ka pero baka pagod na. How will you finish your layup kung pagod na? So I think it's about reading eh. Reading the situation.
Oh, Postanes. Drop step. Yung ano kasi, yung style ng laro ng EAC, nakakapagod din eh.
Oo.
With all of that hustle.
Yes, pag nakakita ka na ng dalawa, tatlong guards in front of you, walang slow break dyan, Ton.
So, sustaining that is the question.
Yes, sustain and siguro controlled chaos.
Oh.
If there is such thing as controlled chaos, di ba? Controlled aggression. I'm sure marami silang babalikan si Coach Gerson dito sa practice nila tomorrow. O baka hindi magpapa-day off yan. Sigurado si Coach Gerson.
Ito na yung pagbabalik ni Sanchez. It's just so hard to box out Alan Liwag. 6'6".
Mahirap pagka ganyan mga kalakas tumalon. Actually, if you can, hindi na yung pagkaganyan ng binabantayan mo, you need to face guard him. Yung mga ganyan. Pero lahat, if you face guard mo, lahat leaper dito sa CSB. Binil.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
I think, talking about Benilde naman, Coach, we're seeing a new identity para sa kanila, especially with what Coach Charles did to start this game, na pinagsabay niya yung Umali at Liwag. Na kumbaga, we're gonna bully you, we're gonna be physical, we're gonna establish our dominant presence.
Yes, I'm sure si Coach Charles, marami rin siyang gustong gawin sa team niya, pero he will stick to what he has, o ano yung pinaka-assets niya sa team, especially the height, advantage sa wing position, sa post. They pressured well. Ngayon, ganda ng mga defensive schemes niya. Unlike yung sa San Beda, medyo yung closeouts niya, sabog-sabog eh.
Sanchez, libre na naman. Postanes with the finish.
4 points.
Yep. So it is official now. Coach Charles Tew and his Benilde Blazers get their first win here in season 101 of the NCAA. Flexing their muscles against the EAC Generals in this 11-point victory.